Alright guys, so in this video I'll show you how to set up DeepSeek with Janitor AI. So let's begin. First up, open any chat in Janitor AI. This can be a brand new one or use previous chats, doesn't matter. Now keep that in mind that some characters support proxies while others don't. So make sure that a character you have picked says using proxy at the top. Next, go ahead and click on these three lines. Click API settings. Okay, so I'm gonna delete my old one. Okay, then just click add configuration. For the name, type something like DeepSeek R1 or whatever you like, doesn't matter. Now, for the model name, go over to openrouter.ai, and if you don't have an account, then just create one. Then search for DeepS. You'll see several DeepSeek models right here. Just pick the one that's free, and then copy this key right here and paste it under model name in Janitor. For the proxy URL, use this one. I'll share this in the description. And for the API key, again, head over to Open Router, click on your profile at the top, go over to keys, and then create a new API key. Give it a name and then just copy it. Remember, you'll see it once, so just make sure to save. Now paste this API key into API key section in Janitor. And once that's done, click add configuration, save the changes, and you're done. Also make sure that your character still says using proxy at the top right here. Now just go ahead, try chatting your character. Also, if you see any kind of internal server error or network error, what you're gonna do is to just refresh the page and it would be fixed. So yeah, that's pretty much for this video. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.